in the times to come. Moments from now, we're also waiting. We're waiting for Neeraj Chopra to come out. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, his RT-PCR test, we are told, is over. So moments from now, we'll also see Ravi Kumar Dahiya and Lavleena Borgohain along with the Indian hockey team, both men's and women's hockey team. Men's hockey team that won a bronze, women's hockey team, Preeti, they won hearts. They won hearts in this competition, Preeti.
Can you see that's Bajrang Punia? He's made sure his father is with him. You know, it just gives me so much joy to see this. His father, who's this one villager who's never seen adulation like this. Bajrang Punia has not left his father's side. And he's made sure that, you know, they're on top of the car with and he's made sure his father stands with him. He's not letting him go. It's just because it's not, you know, these are the people whose families have sacrificed for decades for this one moment in glory. So you see Bajrang Punia's coach, you see his father, and you see Bajrang Punia. This is an image which is the money shot for the day where Bajrang Punia is concerned. 3 people who have scripted this victory, 3 of them. It's not Bajrang Punia alone. His father, decades that he's given, his father's lost. He's been crying through and through. And you know, if you see Bajrang Punia's hands...
Loud and clear, Preeti, but you were telling us about this culture in wrestling. Respect shown to senior wrestlers, respect shown to coach, and respect shown to parents. This is our culture that's actually being taken forward by the next generation, Preeti.
It can't get bigger than this, Gaurav. Like I said, if there's a money shot for Bajrang Punia, it's this. His coach, who's definitely not from India, is enjoying it. He's reveling in it. He's only got his cell phone on. He's only constantly on video mode. I tried to speak to him. He's completely dazed because he's not seen something like this. If you can see, he's got his the coach there. He's got his cell phone on.
Yes.
Right next to him is his overwhelmed father, who Bajrang Punia is not letting go of. One hand always constantly on his father's shoulder. And then Bajrang Punia in that black t-shirt on top of the vehicle. Ecstatic visuals, Gaurav, and the band is going with them. This Bharat is going to go all the way to Bajrang Punia's village in Haryana. Everyone wants to get a piece of them. Can you see that?
Oh, absolutely.
This is the welcome vehicle. This is the vehicle. I'm going to actually try. Okay, I'm not trying it this time around. There are too many strong wrestlers very close to him. So that's, yeah. So those are the visuals there. But all right, Gaurav, we send off one. And that's Bajrang Punia leaving the airport.
Amazing.
And it's just great to see that smile. Great to see his father by his side. Great to see his coach by the side. Over to the next, because there are many which are going to come out one by one now.
Absolutely. Just look at these images. The preparation that the village put in, not just the family, the village, the entire locality, the entire fraternity, the entire friend circle, everyone came together because this is for them and this is for their future generations. What is extremely exciting about this is also the fact that he himself is so young, all of 23. So he has a long way to go and he already is a big role model for future generation of wrestlers. Bajrang Punia, 65 kg wrestling, won the bronze. Moments from now, we'll also see the Indian hockey team won bronze once again. And of course, young Lavleena Borgohain, welterweight boxing bronze. So we see a bronze medalist come out. PV Sindhu's already in our country. She came in earlier. But of course, she'll also be there at the Ashok Hotel. Felicitation. Ravi Kumar Dahiya will also be walking out, and moments from now we'll see Ravi Kumar Dahiya. His RT-PCR test, we are told, is over. Mirabai Chanu had come in earlier. She'll also be there in the felicitation.
बहुत आगे बहुत तैयारी करेंगे, जो कमियां रहेगी उनको पूरा करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे।
Will walk out the last of the airport. But look at Preeti, just hear these chants of Hindustan Zindabad, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and Vande Mataram. You were just pointing out, when we do well in sports, that spirit of nationalism, patriotism, the next generation imbibes it.
You know, Gaurav, there's no better nationalism than the one which emanates through our armed forces, or that emanates through the beauty of sport. And we're witnessing the latter this time. It's amazing. You know, flags flying everywhere, fluttering away, the sense of pride from somebody who's 6 to somebody who's 70, the sense of ownership, of men and women who coming out of their village for the first time to welcome their hero. It's electric, and this will go a far way. You know, there are tectonic changes that happen in any sphere, in any, dynamic as a country evolves through years. And I think we are today, I hope I'm not wrong, that the Olympic history that we've scripted today is going to be that tectonic change where every sport is going to be viewed as something which is achievable, something that is lucrative, importantly, something that will be a tool to make the country proud. So all of that is just coming together. Okay, we have Ravi Dahiya as well. Gaurav, I'm going to try and get close once again. Give us a minute. Ravi Dahiya again on top of shoulders, being pulled in. Okay, that's Ravi Dahiya.